Good morning, students. The next article is equation of motion of a simple harmonic progressive transverse wave. In last article, we have to discuss the differential equation of transverse wave. This is the equation of motion of simple harmonic progressive transverse wave. In this equation, we have to see that the general equation of wave motion along the positive direction of x-axis is phi is equal to f of x minus ct. Okay, we have already discussed in last article. Now in transverse type of wave motion, the displacement of particles of the medium is perpendicular to the direction of propagation of wave. That is phi is equal to y. So by using phi is equal to y in above equation, the equation is y is equal to f of x minus ct. This is equation number 1. Where what is c? C is the velocity of transverse wave and is given by c is equal to square root of t upon mu. This is the value of c. During the propagation of simple harmonic progressive transverse wave, the particle of the medium execute simple harmonic motion in a direction perpendicular to the direction of propagation. That is the transverse wave. So the function f can be sine or cosine. Function f can be sine or cosine or exponential of x minus ct. Hence equation 1 can be expressed as y is equal to y0 into sine of k into x minus ct. This is equation number 2, where y0 is the amplitude, y0 is amplitude and k is called propagation constant. K is called propagation constant at x is equal to 0. The above equation can be written as y is equal to y0 minus of y0 sine of omega t, where omega is equal to k into c. Okay. The equation represents simple harmonic motion of angular frequency is, this is angular frequency, omega is equal to 2 pi into nu, or omega is equal to 2 pi upon t. What is the value of mu? C by t. Okay. CC get cancelled, then equation is 2 pi upon t. Using omega is equal to kc, the equation 2 can be, this is equation 2, the equation 2 can be written as y is equal to y0 sine of kx minus omega t. This is equation number 3. Okay. Y is equal to y0 sine of kx minus omega t. This equation represents wave equation of transverse wave traveling in positive x direction. This is the equation of wave equation traveling in positive x direction. Therefore k is equal to omega upon c or equal to 2 pi nu upon c, but nu is equal to c by lambda. Okay, where lambda is the wavelength of wave. Okay, using k is equal to 2 pi using k is equal to 2 pi upon lambda and omega is equal to 2 pi upon t, the equation of transverse wave can be written as expressed as y is equal to y0 into sine of kx. What is the value of kx? 2 pi upon lambda into x minus what is the value of omega? 2 pi upon t into small t. Usually amplitude y0 is denoted by a, small a. So the above equation can be written as y is equal to a of sine 2 pi in bracket x upon lambda minus small t upon capital T. This is equation number 4. This is the final equation of simple harmonic progressive transverse wave.